Hi everybody, thanks for joining me again. The subject we've got here is Windmills in Watercolour. I got the inspiration from Creation CC on YouTube, and she does a lot of abstract style work which is really wonderful if you get a chance to have a look. So I decided to have a play using a flat brush. I'll list all the details below. And the only problem is I forgot to set the video recorder, which is stupid, I know, but here we go. So, selection of colours, randomly grouped around, and the sails on the mill are actually done with the edge of the brush and then a stroke across just to create the sail. What I'm doing here is I mixed up Payne's Grey, indigo with some gouache, and I'm painting in the doors and windows, as you can see. Speeded up, took a while. Right, what I forgot to do also was film the shadows. So the shadows have been put in. Make sure the direction of the shadow is all in the same direction for each of them. And then take a waterproof pen, and this is an artist's waterproof sketching pen, and then I just went round and made a shadow effect around the windows and the doors on each of the buildings. It took so therapeutic. I did enjoy doing it. It was lovely. Took me a little while to do it, but I really enjoyed it. It was just so calming and therapeutic, and you know, it was such good fun. I really did enjoy it. So just a bit of a close-up here. Back to the main picture. I also had some gold and silver paints I ordered the other day, and they arrived. And what I've chosen here is the sterling silver, and I'm just putting some highlights on the sails. And speed it up again, just to get through it, because it can take a little while. But you can't quite see it at the moment, but it's creating a slight accent on the sails. You can see that I've gone through and I've done the windows and doors everywhere. Here's a close-up of the highlight that I'm putting on the sails, just on the edges. Taking the time. I speed it up so that it doesn't go on forever, but I can't really paint that fast, honest. I wish I could sometimes. And over onto this one. As I can say, you know, I mean, it's just so therapeutic, calming. And also with the silver, I decided to put some little dots to create sort of almost like a snow type scene, just randomly around the place. I usually tend to do it in multiples of 3s or 5s or 7s or 1, never 2s or even numbers. It just, for me, it doesn't look right. Here's a close-up of how I was actually doing that. And you'll see towards the end the effect it actually has on the painting. It's the first time I've used this, and I would say I was a little bit cautious to start with, because I wasn't sure whether I was doing it right or not, but it was getting the right consistency of the paint. The instructions came with it, and the paint I used was FineTec, and it's their gold and silver Pearlised set. Here's the finished item now. You just look, see how look at that, how that's all glistening. Isn't that lovely? I was so pleased with it. I mean, if you fancy having a go and copying what I've done there, that's fine. I don't mind at all. If it encourages you to pick up a paintbrush and have a go, have a go. It's just so therapeutic, and we're in times when we need a bit of therapy and calm. So thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.